Can you learn Spanish in less than 10 minutes? In this video, we're going to learn the basic expressions and words you need to know. So keep on watching. But before we start, hi, my name is Marta in Spanish. And if you want to learn Spanish, you're in the right place. Subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. And please check all the videos. I have so many so that you can get your Spanish to the next level. So let's start with the basic, introducing ourselves to others. This is so important, right? So you can say, hola, me llamo Marta. Hi, my name is Marta. You can also say, hola, soy Marta. Hi, I'm Marta. Okay? And if you're meeting someone, you can ask for their name. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Marta. Okay? So when you're meeting someone, you want to say, pleased to meet you, and that is encantado de conocerte or encantada de conocerte, depending on the gender. Okay, so, hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo Marta. Encantado de conocerte. Very useful is to know how to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, so for good morning, buenos días. Buenos días, okay? Good afternoon, buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. And for good night, buenas noches. Another useful one is to know how to say, how are you? So, ¿cómo estás? We can say, ¿cómo estás? How are you? We can also say, ¿qué tal estás? Okay? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué tal estás? Estoy bien. I'm good. Or estoy mal. I'm bad. Okay? Another great one to know is to say, I don't understand you. Can you repeat that, please? Okay, so, no te he entendido. ¿Puedes repetirlo? No te he entendido. ¿Puedes repetirlo? If you're enjoying this video, check out down below. I have a link to one of my guides, the Ultimate Spanish Guide, okay, that comes with a guide and a workbook. It's amazing. You can learn so many things from the basics to advanced. Okay, continuing. We have to be polite, right? So we need to know how to say thank you. Gracias, okay? We can say muchas gracias. I'm so thankful, okay? Thank you. Gracias. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much, okay? And when you say thank you, the other person says, it's nothing, okay? You're welcome. Or in Spanish, we say more, it's nothing. De nada. De nada. We learn to say hola, okay? Hi. Adios. Bye, okay? Goodbye is adios. We can also say hasta luego. Hola. Adiós, hasta luego. Hoy, today. Mañana, tomorrow. Ayer, yesterday. Okay, so hoy, mañana, ayer. We're going to end this video with days, okay? Días. So the days of the week, días de la semana, okay? Días de la semana. So we have lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Okay, and to say the date, hoy es lunes. Okay, we use the verb ser. Hoy es lunes. Today is Monday. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to check all my free videos in which I explain so many things. And if you want to go even further, just check the links down below or send me an email, okay? Because I love teaching and I want to take your Spanish to the next level. See you in my next one. Bye!